Good evening, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about my previous vessel, which is CPO Europe. It is a capesize vessel, and we're going to use the loading sequence of the previous officer on board. So, this is about loading in Port Hedland of iron ore, and we're going to uh, compute how much remaining cargo to load and to meet the departure drop. So let's start, guys. This is the loading sequence or the loading plan. So the name of the vessel is CPO Europe. Okay, and the local density is 1.025, and the date loaded at the berth is 28 April 2013, and the loading port is Port Hedland and to be discharged somewhere in China, and the cargo is iron ore. Okay, so in number one, anyway, the total cargo to be loaded is 170,000 metric tons. Hold number one is 18,700. Hold number two is 19,500, and hold number three is 18,600. Number 4 is 20,100, and number 5 is 13,700. Number 6 is 20,000, and number 7 is 18,000, and number 8 is 20,400, and number 9 is 21,000. Take note, guys, that odd numbers are loaded with Yan Divines, which is 9, 7, 5, 5, 3, and 1. And even numbers are loaded with Mach finds. We have Mach finds in 2, hole number 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay? And this is the arrival berth, arrival drop at berth. Forward is 7 meters, up is 8.51, bending moment 77%, 70% the sharing force. This is the air drop of 20 meters from 04. The mid drop is 7.76 and the trim is 1.51. So this is the initial drop, and this is the sequence now. So first they load in number 7, which is for number 1 up to for number 17. Okay, then after number 5 they load number 7. So they first loaded in odd numbers. So 5, 7, 3, 9, 1, 7, 3, 9, 1. So they have to complete first these odd numbers, which is the Yan defines. Okay. After completing Yan defines, now they will load the Mach finds. So and they will load in 6, 4, 8, 2, 8, 2. Okay. And the trimming hold is 8 and 2, which is total of 4,000 metric tons for trimming. Okay. So this is the take note of the procedure of ballast operations. In hole number 5 they use pump out number 6 to 60%, which is I could be tank number 6, and to empty and after peak and for peak to 25%, and so forth. Then they have stripping here. Okay. So this is required number of hours for pumping out. Okay. And this will be the corresponding drop for every pour. So for every pour, there's a corresponding drop, forward and up, and mid drop, and the trim. Okay. As much as possible, you should have a good trim. This is okay because this is only what you call, you only started to load, and as you continue to load, you should have a good trim. See, you have here 6 meters, then 3, you have 4 meters and 5.5. Excuse me. Now, after completed this add add numbers in your hold, then they will proceed with the even numbers of cargo hold. Now, when they reach pour number 15, okay, pour number 15, okay, which is hold number 2 and loaded of 5,500 metric tons. Once this is completed and you have an initial drop of 1720 forward, up drop is 1746, and your mid drop is 1733, and this is your initial trim. So from this pour number 15, the foreman at berth will stop loading and requested the chief officer and draft surveyor to make a draft reading around the vessels, forward and up, port and starboard, so that they will compute how much cargo to load for trimming. Okay, so this is now where our program steps in. Okay, so I have here a program I made or I used in my vessel. This is form number 6, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay, so this is program for this vessel of CPO Europe. So what was the initial drop forward? Initial drop forward is 1720. This is forward. Okay, this is forward, this is up. Okay, 1720, which means that the chief officer and the draft survey agreed that their draft reading forward is 17.20. So you put in your program 17.20. Okay, and what was the drop up, which they both agreed? Drop up is 1746. Okay, so you put 1746 in your program, 17.46. Okay, and your min drop would be 1733 and 1733. This is your min drop. Okay, or mid drop, or that is your mid drop. I'm sorry, 1733. So your mid drop is 1733 and your trim is 0.26. Now your actual mid port would also be 17.33. Okay, and your actual mid drop starboard is also 17.33. 1.33. As both they agreed in the readings, so there is no list. And take note that the drop, the density at birth is 1.025. Okay, so you put here 1.025. Upon completion, that will also be 1.025. Okay, now take note that your final mid drop, this will be your departure drop. So what is the departure drop upon completion? So the departure drop upon completion, so after loading number 2, your final drop or your final cargo hold to be loaded of 2000, so your final drop will be even kill of 1765 forward, up is 765 meters up, and your mid drop is 1765. So there's no trim, zero trim. So your departure drop is 1765, even kill. So you put here 17.65. Okay? Take note that according to your plan, loading sequence, your trimming amount of trimming cargo for your amount of cargo for trimming is 4,000. But according to your program, your trimming should be 3,946. That will be 34 metric tons less. Okay. So with this final departure of 1746, your sink gauge is 32 centimeters or 0.32 meters. So how do you get this sink gauge? Is your final mid drop minus your mid drop, then you will have 0.32. And how did you get this amount of recommended cargo to load for trimming? Just click this one. That will be K8. K. Column 8. That will be your sink gauge times M3M. And column 3, row 3. That will be TPC of 123.31 times 100. So how did I get this? How did I get this? That this should be 1765. 17.65. Okay. So your departure mid drop is 1765. So with this your drop, excuse me, with your departure drop of 1765, you interpolate the TPC. So the interpolation of your departure drop, the TPC should be 123.31, which is this one, okay? With a drop of 1765. So, again, to get the recommended cargo to load for trimming is, click this one, sink gauge, okay? Sink gauge, which is K8, row 8, and K, column K. That is 0.32 times M3, which is this one, TPC of 123.31, which is M3. times 100, then you will get 3,446. We'll just concentrate on this figure guys. Okay. Then I have here another. I'll explain that later a while. Okay. So once the recommended cargo to load for trimming is 3946, follow this arrow and type, put here the weight 3946. Okay. So what happens if you load 3946? Results after loading 3946, then your mid drop, departure drop is 1765, which is the same exactly with your final mid drop, and your sink gauge is 32 centimeters, which is exactly the same with the sink gauge. Okay. Well, the sink gauge, another way of getting the sink gauge is weight times TPC. Sink gauge is weight over TPC over 100. Okay. Then you will get the sink gauge, which is 0.32, which is this one. Okay. Then says here, actual cargo to load for trimming. Then go to trim molds 2. You go to trim molds 2, this one, and it says trimming with 2 holes. Okay. Take note of the remaining cargo to load is 3946. Okay. 3946, and the initial drop was 720, 1746. The initial drop is 1720 and 1746. Okay. Then your main drop 1733, your trim. Then you get your MTC, LCF, and TPC. Take note that our loading trimming hold is 2 and 8. According to our loading sequence, this is your trimming hold 2 and 8. So put here 2. So trimming holds is 2 and 8. So I put here 2 and I put here 8. Okay. Now you go down. And what will be your final trim or the departure trim? Okay. But according to our loading sequence, it should be 0 trim or even kill. 1765 forward, 765 up, and mid is 765, so it should be 0 trim. So put in your program, you have no trim. You put 0 there, type, and there you go. Then he will advise you how much cargo to load in your trimming hold. So this is your forward, this is your up hold, which is number 8, forward is number 2. So recommended to load in hold number 2 is 2,442, 2042. Okay, so you go up, put here 2042, 2042, 42. And number 9, you will load 1904. 1904. Okay, 1904. And he will give you your departure drop. Okay. And your departure drop will be forward of 1765. Up drop is 1765. 1765. Your trim is 0 and your main is 1765. And your mid drop is almost the same, 765. Then you have a 0 deflection. Okay. So take note, the loading plan or your loading sequence, he recommended 4,000. But according to your program, the recommended cargo to load is only 3,946. Okay? 3,946. Okay? But when you load 3,946, okay? And in number 2, you load 2,042, and number 8 is 1,904. So when you load the cargo, then you have a departure drop of 1765 forward, up 765 meters. You have a zero trim, and your main drop is 651. Okay? You go back to form 6. Okay? You go to form 6. You teach how to find trim when handling severe moderate weights. Scroll down and take note that in number 2, you have to load 2042, which is here. Okay? And number 8, you will load 1904. Apply your LCG, and your departure drop will be forward will be 1765, up is 7665, your trim is 0, and main is 7665. Your mid drop and your main drop, you will have a 0 deflection. So how to get this mid drop? You just click this one, equals, go up. This will be your main drop. Okay, sorry, because this is, then there it goes, and your main drop is equals, and this is your main drop. Okay, and there you go, you have a 0 deflection. Likewise in trim holds 2, you click the mid drop, equals, you go to form 6, click the mid drop, which is this one, because you have loaded 3,496, enter, and your main drop equals, and your main drop this one. So you have a 0 deflection. So you have 2 programs to back you up of your program, which is the same with your loading sequence or loading plan. Then we go by the third program by trim table. Okay, take note that the initial drop is forward is 1720, up drop is 1746, main drop is 733, and your mid is 1733, and your trim is 26. Okay, so you go up. The trimming cargo to load for trimming is 3946. Okay, so your trimming hold is 2 and 8, and this will be the weight how much you will load in hold number 2 and hold number 8. Okay, now in hold number 2, you take out the forward correction of hold number 2 and up correction. Likewise in hold number 8, take out the forward correction and up correction in hold number 8. How to get this correction? You go to your trim table sheet, which is MB CPO Europe. Excuse me. You have the drop here, and when it shows you have this correction forward and up. So we concentrate on hold number 2. And what is our departure drop is how much? Departure drop should be 1765. Even kill, okay? Go back. 1765. 17. So we go to 18, almost 18, okay? 17. So I go here. So hold number 2. You put the red or yellow, whichever you like. Okay. So number 2, nearest is 18 meters. That is 2.3. So forward, correction, hole number 2 is 2.3. You go to your program. I'm sorry. So put here 2.3. Okay. And your up correction, how much? Is negative 0.8. Negative 0.8. Okay. Then we go now to hole number 8. Scroll down. This is hole number 8. This one. Okay, hole number 8. Okay, then you. So number 8. I'm sorry. This one, hole number 8. Hole number 8. Hole number 8. No field. Okay. So hole number 8. Forward is hole number 8. Negative 0.4. We'll put here. Negative 0.4. Okay. And number up correction of hole number 8. Up correction is 1.8. Put here 1.8. Now, once you already put your correction of holes 2 and 8, then you will get your departure drop. Take note that forward drop should be 1765 even keel. So it's less, and this is more. Then you have a trim of 5 centimeters by the stern. So what you do, I'll explain. Take note, guys. Drop in your drop 18. These are all assumptions because almost the same. And take note, from drop 10 to drop 20, the correction is 2.3. And the up correction from drop 14 to 20 is the same. And so forth with hole number 8. Okay? So take note. So we will adjust this one. These are all assumptions. So what we do, what I do is, you make this drop forward to 17, how much? 1765. Okay? So 1765, you make this forward drop, okay? Make this 2.4. 61. Make this 2.5. Make this 2.6. Okay, then you have 65. Take note, your updraft now is 1 centimeters lower. And you have now trim by the head. So you adjust your updraft. So number 8, you will adjust your updraft in hole number 8. So put this, for example, 1.9. So it's more. Make this 185. Then you are trimmed by the head. You are trimmed by the head. Make this trimmed by the head. Okay. Reduce this a little bit. 5.5, 5.5, 5.6. Then you are now even kill. Okay. And your drop trim is 0. Your deflection here is 0. Let's say mean drop. I put this 5.7. What happens? 5.7. 64. Almost 65. Make this 5.8. 65. Little more. 5.9. And take note, your main and mid drop is 1765. Okay? So your forward drop is 1765. Up drop is 765. Your main drop is 765. Your mid drop is 7. So you have 0 trim and your deflection here is 0. So that is my trim table. So you have now 3 programs. Form number 6, trim 2 holes and by trim table. Then the last one, we got form number 7, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in wind drop. So our initial drop density, at birth is 1.025. Okay, and our initial drop forward was 1720. Okay, 1720 forward 17.20, and up drop is how much? 1746. Okay, 1746, 1746, 17.46. Sorry. Okay, you scroll down. This is your cargo holds 2 and 8 for trimming hold. This is the cargo that you're going to load for each hold, and you apply the LCG, and your final density on departure is also 1.025. 1.025. And your departure drop will be forward 1765, up drop is 1765, your main drop is 765, and your trim is 0, and your mid and main drop is 765 with the 0 deflection. Okay, so you have 4 programs, which is for number 7, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in main drop. Okay, then by trim table. Okay, trimming table, you have your trimming weight here, your trimming hold, apply your forward and up correction on each cargo hold, and you have an even keel of 1765 even keel forward and up, and your deflection is 0. So you have to do is adjust this forward and up correction. Okay? Don't be afraid because why? Because according to your plan, you should have a drop of 1765. So to reach this figure of even kill of 1765, then you adjust your forward and up correction. Uh, Nobody has taught me how to do this one in my when I was in the vessel. So I made it a point na I tried to adjust the forward up correction to come up with the exact drop or departure. Then here, trim two holds. Okay, you apply your trimming hold here, 2 and 8, and you put your trim, which is 0. Then he will give you the cargo to load for forward and up cargo hold, which is 2 and 8. Then you will have a departure drop of even kill. Okay. Then lastly, form number 6, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay, you put your initial drop. Okay, put your actual weights for the stop drop, your departure drop. Then he will recommend the cargo to load for trimming. And once you put here, you will have your even kill drop of departure. So, so take note. Once you put your trimming holds, your cargo for each hold and LCG, then you will have departure drop. So you have actually 4 programs, which is for number 6, which is this one. How to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Trim 2 holds, which is trimming with 2 holds. And by then number 3 is by trim table. Trimming table, you have your cargo to load. Apply your correction, then you have an even kill here. Number 2, 2, 3, and your number 4 is for number 7. How to find drop and trim in handling weights involving large changes in wind drop. Apply your density forward and up initial drop. Then you apply the trimming holds, the weights, and the LCG. Then put your final density of 1.25 and take note your departure drop is even kill. There's 1765 forward and up and mean, and your deflection is 0. Your trim is 0. So that's it, guys. If don't be afraid because you have how much 1, 2, 3, 4 programs to back you up. So you will have an accurate results of your program. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please click like and share so that everybody will have an access to this program. Thank you for watching and good night.